Tiny tunes and rhymes. Hi kids, welcome to Tiny Tunes and Rhymes. Today we're going to learn the alphabet with fun examples. Are you ready? Let's start. A is for apple, a yummy red apple. B is for ball, let's play with the ball. C is for cat, meow meow. D is for dog, woof woof. E is for elephant, a big friendly elephant. F is for fish, swim little fish. G is for goat, ba ba. H is for hat, wear your hat. I is for ice cream, yummy yummy. J is for juice, refreshing juice. K is for kite, fly high kite. L is for lion, roar lion. M is for monkey, swing monkey. N is for nest, birds live in a nest. O is for owl, hoot hoot. Ooh. P is for panda, cute panda. Q is for queen, long live the queen. R is for rabbit, hop hop. S is for sun, shine bright sun. T is for tiger, growl tiger. U is for umbrella, stay dry. V is for violin, play the violin. W is for whale, splash whale. X is for xylophone, play a tune. Y is for yacht, sail away. Z is for zebra, stripes all over. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's sing again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. It's fun to A, B, C. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A is for apple, shiny and red. B is for ball that we bounce ahead. C is for cat, soft and sweet. D is for dog with wagging feet. E is for egg, round and white. F is for fish swimming out of sight. G is for grapes, yummy to eat. H is for hat that looks so neat. Sing your ABCs, come and play, learning letters every day. I is for igloo, chilly and cold. J is for jam, sweet and bold. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for moon, glowing so bright. N is for nest, cozy at night. O is for owl, who says woo-hoo. P is for panda, cuddly too. Sing your ABCs, come and play, we're learning letters every day. Q is for quilt, soft and warm. R is for rain, after the storm. S is for star, twinkling at night. T is for tiger with stripes so bright. U is for umbrella, in the rain. V is for van, on the lane. W is for whale, deep in the sea. X is for xylophone, played with glee. Sing your ABCs, come and play, learning letters every day. Y is for yogurt, creamy and sweet. Z is for zebra with stripes so neat. Now we've learned our ABC, sing them again with me. Final ABC, sing your ABCs, come and play, learning letters every day. W, X, let's flex our pecs. Y, Z, now we're complete. Learn your letters, it's a treat. Round and round the alphabet. Sing it loud, don't you fret.
A is for apple, B is for bicycle, C is for cake, D is for dog, E is for elephant, F is for fin, G is for guitar, H is for house, I is for iguana, J is for jump, K is for kite, L is for lion, M is for milk, N is for ninja, O is for octopus, P is for pumpkin, Q is for queen, R is for rabbit, S is for sun, T is for turtle, U is for umbrella, V is for vase, W is for watermelon, X is for X-ray, Y is for yarn, Z is for zebra.
A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat, let's learn them all. D is for dog, E is for egg, F is for fish, it's really not hard. A, B, C, come and sing with me. 1, 2, 3, fun as can be. We'll laugh and we'll play every letter every day. G is for goat, H is for hat, I is for igloo, just think about that. J is for jam, K is for kite, L is for lion, let's get it right. A, B, C, come and sing with me. 1, 2, 3, fun as can be. We'll laugh and we'll play every letter every day. M is for moon, N is for nest, O is for orange, let's do our best. P is for pig, Q is for queen, R is for rabbit, the cutest you've seen. S is for sun, T is for tree, U is for umbrella, come sing with me. V is for van, W is for whale, X is for xylophone, let's follow the trail. Y is for yo-yo, Z is for zoo, now we've learned them all, the alphabet through. A, B, C, come and sing with me. 1, 2, 3, fun as can be.